Hello guys, this is James from Tech Pro Solution. Today's video guys, I'm gonna show you how to use the chroma key, or what they call the green screen, using your smartphone. So you want to use the green screen or the chroma key when you want to change the background like this. As you can see, I can change my background while I'm recording. So I'm gonna show you how to do that using your smartphone. So by the way guys, if you like my video, hit thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. You can also hit the notification bell to notify you every time I upload new videos. So let's go back to the video. So guys, first things first, what I'm gonna do first is I need to record my phone screen. So I'm gonna start recording now. Screen recorder, start, 3, 2, 1, boom. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the KineMaster video editor, which is one of the popular video editor now. So I'm gonna go to Play Store, then search KineMaster. So this is the video editor guys, so install it to your phone. Once you install it, just open it. So there you go. Then next we need to download a green screen. So we need to go to Google Chrome, then search for not KineMaster, green screen. Then go to images, then download the green screen that you want. So I already downloaded one, so I'm just gonna go to KineMaster again. So let's start doing the video now. So what I'm gonna do first is tap this plus icon, that means that new project. Then I'm gonna choose the 16:19. Then we need to put the green screen that we downloaded, the image. Go to media, then download, then here's the green screen. So here's now the image in the timeline. Then tap this check button. Once you do that, next is the video, the green screen video that I recorded. So I'm gonna go to layer, media, camera, then here's the video. You can adjust the green screen image guys, as long as you want it to be. So I'm gonna adjust it till the end of the video. So that's it. So next, tap the video, the green screen video, then search for the chroma key, this one, the chroma key. Tap that thing, then enable it. So you can adjust the image here. The image should be white. No, not the one. The background should be black. Then the image should be white to make it like perfect. Like this. That one is perfect. Then once you set it up, just hit the check button again. Boom. As you can see, so I already have the image green background. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna adjust the image so that it will fit in my screen. Then check button again. Then I can now play the video. Then what you're gonna do now guys is we need to export this. Just tap this button right here, then export. So you can set the video resolution to whatever you want. So I always set it to high, so it's maximum, like in high. Then hit export, and we're just waiting. So once it's exported, we need to create a new project again. Tap this plus button again, then this 16:19. So what we're gonna need to do now is we need to find an image that we want it to be the background of the video. So I already have the backgrounds that I need, that I want to use in this video. So I'm just gonna go to media, then backgrounds. So for example, I'm just gonna use this one. Then I can also add another one if I want. For example, this one. I already have 2 images. Then hit the check button once you're done. The next is layer. Then here we need to import the video that we exported. Then go to media. So export, then this video. So next, what we're gonna do is
go to chroma key again, then the magic's gonna happen. So hit this chroma key, enable, then set up again as what I told you. The image should be white and then the background should be black. Then once you're done setting it up, just hit the check button again. Boom. I don't have the green background anymore, so I can now adjust the image again to whatever size that I want. Then I can also adjust the image as long as I want. For example, this one, I need to adjust the other one. Then I'm gonna try now to play the video. Then once you're done editing it to whatever background that you want, you can now export it. Just hit the button right here, then export. There you go.
So that's it, guys. That's how to use the chroma key or the green screen using your smartphone. So again, guys, if you like my video, hit thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. If you want to message me, if you have any question or comment, you can also leave comment down below, or you can message me on my Facebook page, which I'm gonna link in my description box. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day and see you in my next video. Bye bye.